but it's all about delicious plant-based food.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cut to myself and you. Hi guys, welcome back to Vine Cooking Channel, which is all about delicious plant-based foods. Today I'm going to show you how to create a delicious soup which is so high in iron it gives you about 65% of your recommended daily intake. It's also really high in protein, so you're going to get per portion, which is around 550 milliliters, about 26.8 grams of protein, and you'll get your iron boost that we all need. Especially as plant-based eaters, absorbing iron is a bit harder than meat eaters, I suppose. And one of the ways for us to try and advance this absorption in our blood is to combine those irony ingredients, in this case lentils and chickpeas, together with a vitamin C type vegetable or fruit. So here we're going to make a soup that is going to consist of lentils, chickpeas and tomatoes. And the tomatoes are of course really high and rich in vitamin C, and they're going to really boost this iron absorption in your blood. Okay, so you're going to need about 1.5 cups of red lentil, a full can of chickpeas, drain them, and once you do drain them, you're going to have about 240 grams of chickpeas, a tablespoon of tomato puree, a tablespoon of sunflower seed oil, or any other oil that is kind of flavorless, I suppose, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're going to use half a head of garlic. I know it's a lot, it's a real immune booster. A large onion chopped, half of this large sweet potato, and we're going to use also a full tin of tomatoes. Now tomatoes are the magic here because they're full of vitamin C. So once we combine the vitamin C with these rich iron ingredients, chickpeas and lentils, our body is going to find it much easier to absorb the iron from these. Then last but not least, we're going to use some veg stock or some vegetable broth, whatever you have, and we're going to garnish it in the end with some parsley. Okay, I'm going to start by chopping this onion. And the smaller sizes you get it, the better, I suppose, because it will cook faster. I'm gonna separate first of all the cloves of garlic from the garlic itself. I'm gonna use half a head. And I know again it's a lot of garlic, but this is a really distinctive flavor as well as the cumin in this soup. And also, let's not forget, garlic is like a natural antibiotic, so it's a real immune booster here. It's gonna protect you on the cold winter days. Okay, and to this onion and garlic mixture, I'm gonna add a heaped teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, something about that. And what we want to happen now is for these to kind of pop. You'll smell it. The aroma will be amazing in your kitchen if it's not already. So just give it a good stir. Keep the heat on medium, okay? And make sure the onions and garlic aren't burning. Okay, so next, let's get half of this sweet potato cut and then peeled. Okay, and to this, I'm gonna add red lentils and some tomato puree. And I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna give this a good mix. Okay guys, so once this is kind of well mixed, we're gonna add our vegetable stock. We're gonna use about 1 liter of that. And to this, we're also going to add a tin of tomatoes, okay? So it's about 400 grams. I'm going to cover this soup with a lid and let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes. And then we'll see and taste how delicious this is. Okay, so just about 20 minutes have passed. I only stirred the soup once during this time. So I'm going to open the lid down now, and I'm going to add these chickpeas from before. And I'm just going to stir in the chickpeas. Give it another 2-3 minutes for all these flavors to kind of soak in. Okay guys, so this is ready. So let's plate this up. See how rich this is? The consistency is really nice and thick. Thanks again for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this and that you're going to make this delicious soup. Please let me know below in the comments if there's any other recipes you'd like to see, any meals you'd like me to veganize, and that'll be great. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to get more delicious recipes, as well as more notifications in your YouTube.